Panjim is located on the banks of the river Mandovi and is also the capital of Goa. Despite it being a developing city, it has managed to preserve its former Portuguese culture, from riversides to ancient buildings, from narrow bridges and streets to ferryboat rides. Panjim as a city is an ideal location for a majority of tourists. So let's take a look at the various places to visit in Panjim. Panjim Church, also known as Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church, is a famous church where plenty of Bollywood movies have been shot. At the first glance, the zigzag steps are quite noticeable, which adds the main charm to this church. The bell of this church is from the Augustinian monastery. Bairro das Fontainhas was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. A Goan named Antonio João de Siqueira, who made his living by working in a foreign country, founded Fontainhas during the 18th century. As you walk across the streets of Fontainhas, the first thing you'll notice are the alleyways along with the beautiful Portuguese houses painted in colors of maroon, yellow, blue, green, etc. These houses have brown tiles, overhead balconies, magnificent doors and windows, some even in ornate oyster shell. There is also a chapel here built in the 1818 dedicated to Saint Sebastian. If you are exhausted walking along and need a refill, then there are a variety of cafes, restaurants and also a bar that will cater to your needs. Do you want to refresh yourself in the waters? Then look no further than Miramar Beach. This beach is around 4 kilometers away from the main city of Panjim and attracts a lot of domestic tourists. Who hasn't heard about Dona Paula Jetty? As here, the famous Bollywood movie Singham was shot. This place has a beautiful viewpoint at the top where picturesque sunsets can be watched. While in Panjim, you can travel by ferry for free and experience the ride. From there, you can then head over to Vere Church, also visit Res Magos Fort, which was built in 1551, and enjoy the sunset. You can also do a cruise ship ride starting from 300 rupees. As night approaches, you can visit the famous casinos along the banks of the Mandovi River, where entry starts from 2 to 3,000.